Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to flash an ISO file to create a bootable USB drive. To get started, we will first need to download the ISO file that we want to flash to our USB drive. And in my case, this is Linux Mint. So I'm downloading Linux Mint right now. So my ISO file is downloading and I'm now going to rufus.ie, which is the tool we use to flash the USB drive. So I'm scrolling down to the download section and then I select the portable installer or the portable version. So I'm downloading this executable file and I open it. Okay, yes. It asks if I want to receive updates. No, not for now. Now it's time to insert the USB drive. And once you've done this, Rufus should recognize it. We will now simply need to wait until the download of our ISO file has finished. Okay, so the download has finished, so we go back to Rufus and I click on select to select the ISO file that I want to flash to my USB drive. And now I click start to start the flash procedure. So I get a few warnings here. You can just click OK and then yes again. So the final warning says that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed, which is fine to me. So I'm clicking OK and now the USB drive is flashing. And this will probably take a while, let's say 2 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your ISO file and the performance of your computer and USB drive. Once it's done, it says ready and that's it. You are ready to use your bootable USB drive. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment to this video. If you're interested in more computer tips and tricks, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Nova Custom. Own your tag.